Hey, this is Riley with Learn With Me, and today I'm going to show you guys how I go about drying and harvesting some herbs. Let's get to it. Alright, so today the herbs that I'm going to be showing you how to dry, or at least how I dry, are mint, lemon balm, oregano, and spearmint. Okay, so the herbs that I'm going to show you how to dry today are lemon balm, mint, like regular mint, oregano, and spearmint. And this is how I go about drying it. It's a very easy way. You don't have to have an expensive dehydrator or a dehydrator at all. You can just do it the old-fashioned way. All right, as you can see here, I've got all the dried leaves that I'm about to prepare. And I know I said I was going to show you the exact process of how I did it, but it's really easy. The main thing I did was I cut just different sections of, like this for example, spearmint, cut different sections off, and then I got a rubber band and tied them off, and then I used a coat hanger, hung them on the coat hanger like that. Cool. Kind of like that, but you know, just more sturdy. And I just kind of let them hang up, just kind of drying, and not necessarily a cool place, but just like a place that just has some decent airflow. And after I did that, I kind of waited a couple days, and of course, as you can tell, this has been like about a week or so. So I'm kind of behind on this, but at the same time, at least it's better to take more time to dry than it is to really like get ahead of yourself. Like, you could use a dehydrator and speed the process up, but as far as this process goes, it's like it really works with my schedule. I can just kind of stop and kind of come back as I go. But if I really wanted to go like, oh, I want to do this by tomorrow, that's not how this process works. This process is mainly something that you kind of let fit into your schedule, and then once it's truly dry, like, it can't get too dry in my opinion. And if you guys have any suggestions or opinions about that, I'm more than open to it, but that's just kind of how I'm looking at it, because the way I use this stuff is I use it for tea. And so, like, I'm getting my spearmint right now, and what I'm going to do is just kind of remove the leaves from the stems, just kind of crush it up really. I hear with some different types of herbs you can kind of utilize the stems for stuff, but I'm just kind of sticking to the leaves right now. And because like what I'm really going for with this is just to kind of make some tea. So I like to have like a little mint tea just kind of throughout the day. I've kind of grown accustomed to that. But yeah, after you wait a couple days, let this stuff dry out a good bit, it should just come out just in, I honestly try to get it as like thin as possible to get it even in a powdery form. I wish you guys were here to smell this. This smells amazing. But yeah, that's all there is to it. You just take a couple cuttings, take a couple stems of cuttings, bunch them together, let them hang dry for a couple days, and just go from there. And when I say that I like to make tea with it, I just kind of buy these like bleached like tea bags on Amazon. I can't remember where I got it. I bought like 1,000 like a couple years ago, and I still haven't gone through all of them. So, I mean, you can just find them anywhere. It's not just like a specific place that only has them. But yeah, I just get these little like empty tea bags, and sometimes I'll just start my week off just like making a couple of these. You can make it as strong as you want. That's the cool thing about having it in your yard, is that when you have it perfectly organic, all you have to do is just bring it in, wash it off, then just kind of let it dry, and it's just that easy. You don't have to overcomplicate it at all. But yeah, that's all for right now. That's really all there is to it. You just kind of cut off some whatever herb that you're really looking for, wash it off a little bit. Just kind of look into it. Of course, like I said, always like do a little bit of research at least, at minimum, when you're doing this type of stuff. If you guys have any suggestions, I'm more than open to it. But that being said, just kind of wash it off, bring it in, wash it off, like tie it together. You can use twine, that's preferred, but I only had rubber bands. You kind of just do what you can and what you can make work. And then just kind of hang it up. You don't have to use a coat hanger either. You can just hang it up just against the wall or just anywhere you know that's going to get like a decent amount of airflow. So yeah, that's all, you guys. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to try to post videos every Thursday. I'm trying to keep that trend going, so appreciate your patience with me as I'm going through stuff. I'm trying to still figure everything out, and yeah, let me know if you guys want any videos or want to know anything about anything in particular, and thank you, and you guys have a wonderful day.